The H-4 Hercules, commonly known as the Spruce Goose, stands as one of the most ambitious and fascinating aircraft in aviation history. Conceived during World War II, this enormous flying boat symbolizes the boundless potential of human ingenuity and the challenges of technological innovation. Despite its limited operational use, the H-4 Hercules remains a testament to visionary engineering and determination. The H-4 Hercules was the brainchild of Howard Hughes, a pioneering aviator, engineer, and entrepreneur, in collaboration with Henry J. Kaiser, an industrialist known for his shipbuilding endeavors. The aircraft was designed in response to the United States' need for large transport planes during World War II. German U-boats posed a significant threat to Allied shipping, and a new means of safely transporting troops and materials across the Atlantic was urgently required. The H-4 was conceived as a solution, a massive cargo plane capable of carrying 750 troops, tanks, or other heavy equipment. However, wartime material shortages dictated that the aircraft be constructed primarily of wood instead of aluminum, leading to its nickname, the Spruce Goose. Ironically, the plane was primarily made of birch, not spruce. The H-4 Hercules was a marvel of engineering, pushing the boundaries of what was possible at the time. It remains the largest wooden airplane ever built, with a wingspan of 320 feet, longer than a football field. The plane was powered by 8 Pratt & Whitney R4000 360 Wasp major radial engines, each capable of producing 3,000 horsepower. With a total height of 79 feet and a length of 218 feet, the aircraft dwarfed any of its contemporaries. The wooden construction presented unique challenges. Hughes Aircraft Company used a process called Duramold, which involved layering thin sheets of wood with resin to create a strong and lightweight structure. This innovative technique demonstrated Hughes' commitment to overcoming material limitations. Despite its ambitious goals, the H-4 Hercules faced numerous obstacles during its development. The scale and complexity of the project caused delays, and by the time the plane was completed in 1947, World War II had ended, rendering its original purpose obsolete. The U.S. government, which had funded part of the project, questioned the plane's feasibility and usefulness, leading to scrutiny and hearings that put Hughes under intense pressure. The H-4 Hercules flew only once, on November 2, 1947, in Long Beach, California. With Howard Hughes himself at the controls, the plane lifted off the water and flew approximately 1 mile at an altitude of 70 feet. Though brief, this flight demonstrated that the aircraft was capable of achieving flight, silencing skeptics who had labeled it an impractical boondoggle. While the H-4 Hercules never saw operational use, its legacy endures as a symbol of innovation and determination. The aircraft embodies the daring vision of Howard Hughes, a man unafraid to push boundaries and challenge conventional thinking. Its design and construction continue to inspire engineers and aviation enthusiasts, illustrating the power of creativity and perseverance. Today, the H-4 Hercules is preserved at the Evergreen Aviation and Space Museum in McMinnville, Oregon, where it stands as a monument to a unique chapter in aviation history. Visitors marvel at its colossal size and the story of its creation, reflecting on the spirit of innovation that made it possible. The H-4 Hercules is more than just an aircraft. It is a symbol of human ambition and the pursuit of greatness, even in the face of overwhelming challenges. Though it flew only once, its story resonates as a reminder that bold ideas often pave the way for progress. The Spruce Goose remains a towering achievement in aviation history, a testament to the vision and tenacity of those who dare to dream big. The H-4 Hercules was not simply a technological endeavor, it was deeply embedded in the broader context of its time. During World War II, the United States faced unprecedented logistical challenges. Traditional sea routes were fraught with danger due to German U-boat attacks, which sank critical supply ships and disrupted the flow of war materials and troops. The idea of a massive aircraft that could bypass these threats and transport cargo and personnel safely across vast distances was not just ambitious, it was vital to Allied strategic planning. The H-4 Hercules represented a leap in both vision and scale. While military aviation had been advancing rapidly during the war, most aircraft of the time were far smaller and less ambitious in their capacity. The Hercules aimed to transform how large-scale logistics could be managed, offering a potential solution that married maritime and aviation technology in a unique way.